Hey guys, welcome to the anti-inflammation kitchen. In this case, it's my anti-inflammation quiet space, and I'm going to do something which I normally do once a day. I do either in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, just something to keep my mind at ease and to reduce that anxiety, which I'm sure everyone goes through as well. So I'm going to do this something, it's a mind-body practice. This is what my grandpa taught me when I was young, growing up. It helps with flexibility again. It may also help with chronic pain. Okay, so let me go ahead and get to the front of the mat and I'll get started. Namaste. I'll go in front of the mat. The first thing I like to do when I stand up, I like to first try to reach the sky. So you could try to put your hands up as far as you can. If it hurts, please stop. Don't do anything. Do the best you can. That's step one. And then I like to spread my arms out wide to make a circle. So it's like 12 o'clock. I'm moving to 6 o'clock down here. And you'll feel your shoulders relaxing too. Then I like to touch my toes. Of course, do the best you can. Just try to reach for them. And hold this for a few seconds. Breathe in, out. Then I put my hands on the mat. My knees are bent. And I'm putting my right leg back. Okay? You can do the best you can. Again, if you can't go all the way, you can just take a small step. And then I'll move my left leg at the back. And I'm just going to crouch down first. Baby pose. Stretch out the back. Look up a little bit. And then go back down. Then I get up like this, on my toes. If you can put your feet at the back, so straight, and look ahead. And then I come down slowly. Again, you can do the best you can. You can go from here, you can just go to your knees, and then go back down again. Come up, put the right leg forward. Look up. Bring the left leg to join the right leg. Bend down. Slowly lift your arms up to the sky. And then we can do this again. Putting the hands up first to 12 o'clock. Making the hands of the clock go around to 6 o'clock. Then I'm touching my toes the best that I can. If anything pains, please stop. And you can even try to move your knees one at a time, just to give it a little bit of movement. Now I'm doing right leg at the back. Trying to get a stretch here. And then the other leg joins the right leg. Slowly going down, looking up, getting a little bit of a back bend. Do the best you can. Come back up on your toes. Look down at your toes. And then put your forward, your left foot forward. Let your right leg meet the left leg. And then join it up to 12 o'clock and move this around to 6 o'clock. Okay, let me know if you like this, guys. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this as well. And you have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes and videos like this. Have a great day, guys.